Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable iMessage on your iPhone. Now, whether you want to enable it to use iMessage or the blue text message bubble, or maybe you wanted to turn it off, I'll show you exactly how to do that. On your iPhone, tap on the Settings app, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Apps at the bottom. Scroll down again until you find Messages on this list, and tap on Messages. Scroll down again and look for iMessage. If this is turned on with a green light, you can see iMessage is now enabled. If you toggle it off, iMessage is now disabled or turned off. And of course, to turn it back on, you can just tap on it. It will say waiting for activation and it will reactivate. You can also tap on send and receive to choose to send and receive iMessages from your phone number as well as your email address if you would prefer to use that as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks, guys.